Crafting sustainable bags for discerning buyers. Hong Kong BRINGTON Group. Chiwanjiu Carry-on bags. We will offer dedicated service to you. We have an efficient operation team, a dedicated management team. The factory covers an area of 12,000 square meters. Our factory has more than 300 employees. Sewing machine set. Computer pattern cut. Intelligent cutting machine. Mold engraving machine. Laser engraver. Strict manual product inspection. The product's factory packaging is meticulous. A neat finished product storage warehouse. Archive a qualified auxiliary material warehouse. Sample development room. Real-time monitoring of workshop data. Adopt the 8 management approach. Ensure the safety, stability and high efficiency of the factory. Manage daily meetings. Identify work problems in a timely manner. Communicate actively and make corrections. Professional equipment is used to test the durability of products. We also have a product exhibition hall. We are ready to meet all the production standards for our cooperation. Our professionalism and efficiency can provide you with qualified and satisfactory products. Looking forward to cooperating with you. Let our common idea set sail.